How to use your Capital One credit card for cash advance and what are the fees. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the Capital One credit card for cash advance and what are the fees. So in that case, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and make sure to follow these steps. So you can use your Capital One credit card for cash advance. However, there are fees and interest charge associated with your cash advance. So there are typical fees and conditions you might encounter. So first of all, this is usually a percentage of the amount you withdraw, often around 3% to 5% with a minimum fees up to $10. And if you are going with a higher APR, that is cash advance typically have a higher annual percentage compared to the regular purchases. This rate can be significantly higher and it occurs interest immediately without any grace period. And if you use an ATM to get a cash advance, the ATM owner may charge an additional fees on top of the cash advance from Capital One. And in order to use a Capital One credit card for cash advance, you can use your credit card at an ATM withdrawal cash, just like you do a debit card. You will need your credit card pin, and you can also go to the bank that accepts your credit card and request a cash advance from the teller. And the Capital One may provide convenient check. You can write the check yourself as a cash. Now it is important to carefully consider the cost associated with the cash advance and explore other options as well, if possible, due to high fees and interest rate. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.